All right, coach. A gritty performance from your team today. Didn't get the 3 points that you wanted, but came out with a point. And what do you think about the team performance?
It was a solid performance defensively. We know we are in top of the table right now, so we can't afford to slip up. So we weren't the main objective today. We weren't conceding a goal. We didn't concede a goal. But I think up front today we could have a little bit more braver, a little bit more ruthless. I mean, Dumbo sit back deep today, and allow us to play in the front phase. But if you're a little bit more clinical and a little bit more ruthless in the final third, I guess the result would have been different. But such is the game. But I want to say special mention to Fabian McCarthy, because after special prayer, because I don't think he's 100% right now. He's on his way to the hospital. I mean, wish him a speedy recovery and open fresh back to Dumbo and can continue his season.
All right. As I said, you wanted to keep a clean sheet. One of the big objectives today, and that was done by the youngster in the backline, Romain Blake. What's your thoughts about his performance today, and how is he coping along with the senior members in the squad?
Excellent talent. I mean, whether or not I am his coach, is a talent. I mean, easily probably one of the best in the country at his age. But we just want to keep him humble, keep him hungry, and motivate him. Sky's the limit for this kid. I mean, this kid is quality.
On the point, coach, as I said, not all three. Where we are placed on what you think you need from moving forward.
I mean, we take it a game at a time. Nevertheless, Dumbo is a quality team. So, despite they're not doing good in the table, today you saw that, if you're not at their best, they can hurt you. And we didn't allow that today. And, kudos to that. And I think we will go from strength to strength. I mean, we turn our attention on the next game coming Monday.